Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Azri Hassan, and today I'm pleased to present my conceptual paper entitled Digital Leadership, Digital Skills, and Digital Culture Driving Green Innovation and Company Performance. This study proposed a conceptual framework to explain how digital transformation capabilities enhance company performance through green innovation in the Malaysian construction industry while considering the influence of environmental regulation intensity. Okay, we go to the next slide. So research background and research gap. Okay, actually, the construction industry play a vital role in Malaysia economic development by contributing to infrastructure, employment, and national growth. However, it is also one of the largest contributors to carbon emission, construction waste, and excessive resources consumption. To address these challenges, many construction organizations are investing in digital technologies such as building information modeling, BIM, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things to improve efficiency and sustainability. Despite these developments, three important research gaps remain. First, most existing studies focus on technology adoption rather than organization capabilities such as leadership, digital skills, and digital culture. Second, limited research explain how digital information drive green innovation. And third, the role of green innovation in improving company performance, particularly in the Malaysian construction industry, remains unexplored. Therefore, this study aims to bridge these gaps by proposing an integrated conceptual framework. Okay, next we can see the proposed conceptual framework. Okay, this framework identifies three dimensions of digital transformation as the independent variables. First, digital leadership, second, digital skills, and third, digital culture. These organization capabilities are expected to promote green innovations, which includes green process innovation and green product innovation. Then, green innovation contributes to improve company performance, including operational, financial, and sustainability performance. In addition, environmental regulation intensity is proposed as a moderating variable. This framework suggests that stronger environmental regulation encourage organizations to adopt green practice, thereby strengthening the positive impact of green innovation on company performance. Overall, this framework proposes that digital transformation creates value not only through technology adoption, but also through organization capabilities that enable sustainable innovation. Okay, this is a theoretical foundations. Okay, this framework is supported by three complementary theories. First, the RBV, resource-based view, that explain digital leadership, digital skills, and digital culture are valuable strategic resources that provide competitive advantage. Second, DCT, dynamic capability theory, explain how organizations transform these digital capabilities into improved performance through green innovation. And third, stakeholder theory, that highlights the importance of meeting the expectation of stakeholders by adopting sustainable business practice. Based on these theories, this study proposed 5 propositions. The first three propose that digital leadership, skills, and culture positively influence green innovation. The fourth proposed that green innovation improve company performance. And finally, the fifth proposed that environmental regulation intensity strengthens the relationship between green innovation and company performance. Then we go to the contributions. This study contributes both theoretically and practically. From a theoretical perspective, it integrates resources-based view, dynamic capability theory, and stakeholder theory into a single framework to explain how digital transformation enhance company performance through green innovation. It also introduced environmental regulation intensity as a moderator, providing a more comprehensive understanding of sustainable performance in the construction industry. From a practical perspective, this framework offers guidance for construction managers to strengthen digital leadership, improve employees' digital competencies, foster a supportive digital culture, and invest in green innovation. In conclusion, this study suggests that digital transformation alone is not sufficient to improve company performance, and green innovation serves as the critical mechanism that converts digital capabilities into sustainable business outcomes, while supportive environmental regulation further enhance this relationship. Okay, that's all from me, sir. Thank you very much for your attention, and I look forward to your questions and feedback. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.